Alright, this is part 2 and we're just about to head into JV's POV. Tell me when you're okay.
You hide.
Oh wait, no, I did.
Yep, you're the one hiding
I
now.
forgot I'm going to hide. This time I'm actually going to use my secret base. An absolutely secret base.
Don't tell him I'm sneaking.
Okay, JV, you can search for me. I'm hiding.
Tell me if you can
I
see
saw
me.
you. I see you.
So you means I pass you.
No! You found me so fast! Did you punch me? Come on! I'm chasing you! Hey! Hey!
He will know when you check the video.
Hey! Alright, you hide. I'm just gonna stay here. How did he find me so fast? Alright, my POV now. He found me in 2 minutes! How? How did he... that's so annoying! Why? Why? Where? Where are you? What did you do? Why? Tell me if you can see me.
I cannot see you.
Now can you see me?
Nope.
I'm up high.
I cannot
Still
see
not.
you.
Come on. I hate this. I bet you're in the water.
What time?
2:30.
Okay, when 4:30 I will be with
Alright.
you. Because I bet you won't catch me. You won't even able to catch me even if you found me.
You're evil. You're in a spot where you can't punch me. That's cheating.
Nope, it's not cheating.
That's cheating, JV. I can't punch you even if I found you. That's cheating. That's straight up cheating.
Okay, 7:30.
What?
2 minutes have passed.
Blue.
You're not, I'm not on that island.
I'm gonna go to Pokemon Center. I'm not the Pokemon Center.
There are 3 islands there.
Oh, I forgot that. How? How did that wooden pass wet? Hey! Hey! I found you, right? This wooden path is you, right? Yeah, it's you. Sorry, I forgot that's the way it works. But we didn't technically ban it. Look what I'm gonna do to you guys. And now I'm gonna hide. I'm hiding now. Alright, JBPOB. I'm hiding now. I can see you.
Wait, someone's talking to me.
Long brain, no. I said I can see you.
You know how obvious it is? You know why?
Why?
There's already... You can see that, guys, right? The highlight is changing.
Hey, you can see my highlight? Oh, come on! Oh, come on! Why can you see my highlight? That's straight up cheating!
No, it's not.
Alright, you hide.
There's a moving highlight, so...
Turn on POV. Oh my god, come on. And how dare you cut the patches of grass that I grew? Can I have a salad or a steak or something? I really need a salad because I'm gonna regrow that. And tell me when you're done hiding. Why did the highlight? Where is the highlight screen? Come on, Sophia. I'm regrowing my patch of grass. You're evil. Alright, I'm gonna start now. 8:45, I started at 8:45, so that's supposed to be 13:45. Perfect, I'm not much. Are you listening? If I really know this island, I'm gonna know when he's near me. Alright, no. Can you still see me? Now! Now! I think it's a pretty obvious one. Am I getting closer? Yeah. I don't know. Can you still find me? Can you still see you?
You know that
Brick.
brick? I'm at the top.
You're lying.
I'm at the top.
You're lying. Are you seriously at the top?
But you need to punch me.
How did you get there? I will literally break this island if I need to. I don't care, I can just rebuild it again when I play from your top table. Do not judge me. Do not think that I will not break the island just if I do. This is cheating, I don't have a rock.
Then,
Where? You weren't at the top.
there's a volleyball.
Ah! I just wasted my time! There! Give me glue. You. Am I going near you? I do not have enough glue. Tell me when you see me again. Is this a real glue or is this a trick?
I got you again.
You.
Hey, I can see you.
Is this? No, that's a stone.
How many minutes?
15 seconds. Where are you?
I can see you on the top.
My god, where are you?
Are you done? 5 minutes done?
No.
You want me to say?
There! Alright, yeah.
Go
Where?
to the trading part. And 10 minutes is still I thought it's perfect. You did not notice.
How? There's a highlight there so I know that's you.
No, that's not me.
Why is there a
How
highlight
can I
there?
just... How can I be that? Without breaking. Punch it. Go.
You're under?
You see, can see it?
Oh! You! How? You! 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 You made me destroy your habitat! You monster!
Let me stay here. You go hide. And if I find you, go there.
Alright. I'm gonna hide, guys. And this time, I'm gonna hide where he can't find me. Did we say it's not allowed to break stuff?
Nope. Yeah, we are not allowed to break.
Can you drown in water if you're almost drowned?
Yes.
Yeah, I'm drowning. Hang on. Hang on, okay, hang on.
Hiding. Game.
Go.
Can you see me?
Nope. I'm gonna tell you when I see you.
You're not inside the house, right?
Yeah. I can see you.
How about now?
I can definitely see you. How about?
3, 2, I win!
I hate this! I didn't find you earlier, right?
Yeah, it's 3-2. I win.
Come on! Alright. Alright, we're gonna get in a boxing match. Wait, why wrong with it?
Let's destroy everything. No, I'm gonna run.
Oi! Oi! Ultimate boxing match. Whoever gets back to the edge first loses. Whoa, 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 whoa! Whoa, 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 whoa! Whoa, 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 whoa! I win. At least I won the box.
Yeah, I let you win. I pity you.
Because
Okay, I will go back to the Pokemon Center to disconnect.
now I'm gonna disconnect. And check the lost and found. I took some berries. Actually, I'm not disconnect. You disconnect.
Yeah, I'll disconnect here.
Alright, I'm gonna...
When you review the video, you will find a surprise. And you will say, what?
What? What? Am I going to, ano? Am I going to look so stupid in the video?
No.
Something else? Alright, I wonder what?